Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. Today I am going to show you the new multiple file translation feature and how this works with the DeepL translator in particular. So let's get started. To translate multiple files, the steps are almost the same as for the single file. You click on this drop files area, and now instead of selecting just one, you can select multiple. Click on this button to upload. And as the files are uploaded, you will see that the very first file from your selection is still displayed here in your editable area, but you can also toggle between these files by clicking on this drop down to show all your uploaded files. This multiple file translation works with free translators like Google and Yandex as well. And again, the steps are same. You just select your target language and click on this translate button, wait for it to finish up, and once it is done, this will show this message that translation is successful. To translate one or all files, select your translator. So let's say we want to translate these files using DeepL. Select your target language. We want to translate these to Greek. Click on this button. Here you will get the option to select the from language, which is by default set to auto detect, and it works in most of the cases. If you want to make sure that translator is working with the correct language pair, you can also select the source language. And this new drop down lets you select the file to translate. If when you're using multiple file translation feature, it will by default be all, but you can select the individual file as well. And as you select the files, you will notice that it updates the total cost accordingly. So for one file, this is this, but if you want to translate all these files in a batch, this will be the final price. Once you are happy with your files, just click on the Pay Now and Translate button. This will show a summary of your selection. Like in this case, we have selected 3 files, and our source language is auto detect, target language is Greek. This is the line, and this is the total amount we need to pay. Click on this button. If the payment is successful, this will show a confirmation dialog, which also shows your order number, which you can code in your emails if you need to contact me. You can now safely close this box. And as you can see, it is showing that all the files were translated and the translated content should be visible in this box. You can switch between all the files like this one and the other one, and all these are translated correctly. At this point, you can also continue doing some post editing or manual tweaks by either clicking here and then editing things, or just clicking on this pencil button and doing find and replace things. Once you are satisfied with all your file selection, you can download all the files by clicking on this save all button, which what it does is that it downloads all the files as a zip file. Click on this button, and this will show you your downloaded file. This is the zip file which contains all your translated files. You can click on this one and export it to your target location, and it should have all your translated content. That's it for today. I hope you like these new features. As always, if you have any other feedback or comments, you can post your suggestions here at the bottom. That's it for today. I hope you like this new feature. Thanks a lot.